Welcome everyone to part 2 of our home training series. Today what I'd like to do is go over doing some punching and kicking if you're at home and you still feel like I want to punch, I want to kick, I want to keep training for my Muay Thai training, and you're in the beginners intermediate. So this video is specifically for beginners and intermediate, and I'll go through a series of exercises that you can do at home. Last video that you saw, you can start by doing your stretching and your warm-ups. We do that. You can make it shorter and then jump into this, doing your techniques at home. Okay? Alright, so I'm just going to jump into the techniques. There is some techniques in my previous videos under techniques that you can learn the techniques, but if you already know them, this is for that. So I'm just going to go through a series of exercises and punches and kicks that you can do at home and keep yourself in shape. Okay? So basically what we're going to do, we're going to go into our fighting stance right here. Okay? And what I like to do is always start with the jab. Okay? So what I want to do, you stay in your fighting stance, just throw your jab. Keep looking at your feet, make sure you got a good fighting stance. Extend your arm, keep your opposite hand up. Now, you can time yourself. You can do every one of these techniques for a minute. If you want a longer one, you do it for 2 minutes and then move on, okay? As this goes on, I'm adding. So these are progressive combinations and techniques that you can do in one day, okay? Now, after doing your jab, you're going to add the punch. Back for turns, give your body in a good position. Opposite hand up all the time. Okay, then again, make sure you can do it for a minute, for 2, even 3 if you like. As many times as you want, or just do it in counts, do 100. Okay? After that, you're going to add a duck. After that, we're going to add our left hook. 1, 2, 3. Once you do that, then we're going to add our punch number 4. Add a punch. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pay attention to your technique. Make sure it's not sloppy. You guys know all the techniques, so make sure you do it properly. Okay? Again, for a minute, for 2 minutes, as long as you want, or as many times as you like. Okay? So we went up to 4 punches. Now we go back to jab. This time we're going to add a kick. We're going to add a push kick. Okay? So you go back to your fighting stance, throw the jab back in position, boom. Push it with your reverse leg. Jab, kick, jab, kick, jab, kick, jab, kick, jab, kick. Now, we're going to add a punch. We're going to go 1, 2. Then we're going to kick with our front leg. So we're going to go 1, 2. Kick with the front leg. 1, 2. Leading leg teep. 1, 2. Teep. 1, 2. Teep. 1, 2. Teep. 1, 2. Teep. Okay? Now we're going to add a kick after the duck. So we're going to do the same leg kick. We're going to do 1, 2, duck. Kick again with the front leg. Push kick with the front leg. We'll go 1, 2, duck, kick. 1, 2, duck, kick. 1, 2, duck, kick. Okay? So after that, we're going to go into our 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to go teep again with the back leg. 2, 3, teep. 1, 2, 3, T. 1, 2, 3, T. 1, 2, 3, T. 1, 2, 3, T. After that, we go to our fourth punch, back into kicking with our T, front leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, T. 1, 2, 3, 4, T with the front leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, T with the front leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, T. 1, 2, 3, 4, T. Okay? If you can do these for about 8, 9, 10-minute rounds, you're gonna get a good workout, trust me. Okay? So this is the #1 training video for home. The basics you start with, and keep your eyes open for my next video coming for the beginners and intermediate, and we'll be doing more techniques. Okay? Stay safe, stay well. We'll see you next time.